In this video, we're going to get back to the basics with a very simple function with an Amazon PPC that's going to help you save a ton of time. Let's jump right into it. Okay, so as I said in the intro of the video, I wanted to just take a minute to talk about a really basic thing within Amazon's advertising platform that can really help you improve your efficiency, especially if you have a lot of products and you're trying to create new campaigns for them. So you can get that done effectively and move on to more important things in your business that are really going to move the needle. So jumping right in, if we scroll down here and say, for example, it's really come in handy, for example, if you want to create what's called gold panning campaigns. You already have a lot of good functioning campaigns, the core of your advertising strategy within Amazon, but you want to duplicate those campaigns to create gold panning campaigns, for example. I'll have a video down below where we talk a little bit more about that. You want to check that out in the description. But for now, let's look at this. So this feature is, you just scroll across to the right, okay, you'll see this column here where it's going to allow you to copy any of your existing campaigns. So copying existing campaigns is to save time and work, okay? And if you click learn more, so basically it's going to walk you through the steps here, basically how to do it. One important thing to note here is the targeting type and ad group settings are included in the copy. Okay, when you copy a campaign, you don't have the option to switch between automatic and manual targeting, or between keyword targeting or product attribute targeting. Performance history isn't carried over to the copy campaign, and archived ad groups, targets, and advertised products won't be copied. Okay, so keep those things in mind when you're making the copy. It's not for doing those things. This is mainly to be able to create a duplicate of maybe something that is working, or maybe you want to make small changes or adjustments. For example, gold panning campaigns, which kind of have a slightly different strategy for the same keywords that are already doing well. Okay, so just to walk you through quickly what that kind of would look like. So if we create a copy of this campaign, just remind you the name of the campaign, marketplace where you're in, account, copy to this marketplace. And in this case, we could have it paused after creation. That way we can go in and make any adjustments that we need to, like, halving the bids or whatever the strategy you have for the new setup of the new campaign. And then just go ahead and click copy and you're good to go. One other thing I want to show you is, for example, let's say you wanted to copy, let's say we had a sponsored brands campaign like we have here. Okay, so find the sponsored brand right there, scroll over, grab this one, hit copy. You're gonna have a different set of instructions, different things you can change here in regards to the sponsored brand campaigns. For this one, you're actually able to make a few more changes before you actually copy it, including what ad type you want. You can swap in the different ASINs you wanted to advertise. You can actually make changes to the creative, things like that. So this can really help out, as you can see, if you're trying to copy something over that may be working and swap out keywords before it even goes live. And now keep in mind that when you're talking about sponsored brand ads, you're still gonna have to submit it for review. They're gonna check it. So if you try to copy some things over and maybe swap out the actual creative, like in this case it's a video ad, if you try to swap in a different type of video that maybe is not Amazon TOS, they're probably gonna catch that flag and it won't work. So keep those things in mind if you're thinking of trying to pull a fast one on Amazon. Hope that helps you out, guys. Speed things up in your workflows when you're getting your campaigns created on Amazon. And yeah, I'll be making a few more videos like this in the future, so make sure you subscribe and give me a like if you got some value out of this, and I will see you in the next one.